Song Builder tools, located in the right-hand bar in Song Builder, are designed to enhance your MusiQuest composition experience. With tools for transposition, accidentals, dynamics, and more, you can focus on creating to your heart's content. In this series of videos, we will cover each of the Song Builder tools and how to use them. Some important notes. Tools will only work on the track that is currently selected. For example, if you want to transpose a measure in the counter melody track but are currently viewing the melody track, you must click on the counter melody track to use the transposition tool on that specific track. Additionally, Song Builder tools unlock at different levels. To learn more about the MusiQuest levels, what each level includes on Song Builder, and how to change your level, check out the MusiQuest Levels video, which is linked in the description below this video. And we will be adding more tools over time, so keep an eye out for those. Now, let's get into it.